Have you ever caught yourself endlessly scrolling, watching video after video? And at the end of the day, you feel drained, empty, and guilty because nothing really changed in your life. Now imagine this instead: waking up excited, filling your day with activities so fun, so powerful that you don't even think about scrolling. Imagine growing your mind, your skills, and even mastering English all while enjoying every single moment. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make every day so fun and meaningful that your phone becomes a tool, not a trap. Part 1. Why we scroll: the trap. We don't scroll because we're lazy. We scroll because our brains crave excitement, novelty, and connection. Social media gives us quick hits of dopamine, tiny sparks of pleasure, but they disappear instantly. Think about it. Have you ever watched 20 short videos, laughed, maybe even felt inspired, but then 1 hour later you couldn't even remember what you saw? That's because scrolling gives you stimulation without growth. But here's the truth: your brain doesn't want empty entertainment, it wants meaningful adventure. You don't actually want more scrolling, you want more living. Part 2. The shift from consuming to creating. Here's the mindset shift: instead of consuming endless content, you start creating your own experiences. Ask yourself, what if every day felt like an adventure? Instead of watching other people live, you become the main character of your own story. If you want fun, go outside, play a sport, explore your city. If you want connection, talk to people, start conversations, learn from strangers. If you want growth, read, learn, practice a new skill, or challenge yourself. And here's the bonus: every single one of these activities can be turned into an English learning powerhouse. Part 3. Fun plus growth equals forgetting to scroll. Let's make this real. Imagine your day like this. Morning power hour. Instead of scrolling, spend 20 minutes journaling in English. Write about your dreams, your goals, or even your crazy thoughts. This makes your brain active, creative, and calm. Adventure breaks. Go outside, order your coffee in English, talk to someone new. Challenge yourself to describe everything you see in English. The sky is bright blue. The cafe smells like fresh bread. This turns the world into your classroom. Skill fun. Instead of scrolling, pick something you love and connect it to English. Love music? Translate your favorite songs. Love movies? Watch them in English with subtitles. Love gaming? Join English speaking servers. Suddenly, your day is not boring anymore. It's fun, exciting, and every moment teaches you something. And here's the best part: when your real life becomes fun, your phone stops controlling you. Part 4. The science of fun habits. Science shows us the more joy you connect to learning and growth, the more your brain craves it. Fun habits are sticky. Think about kids: they learn languages faster than adults because they play while learning. They don't study English, they live it. So if you want to master English and transform your life, don't turn it into boring homework. Turn it into play. Laugh at your mistakes, celebrate your progress, and make the process fun. Closing. So here's the challenge for you. Tomorrow, design your day in a way that's so fun, so alive, so full of adventure that you don't even think about scrolling. Journal your morning thoughts in English. Turn your city into your English playground. Replace passive consumption with active creation, because life is not happening on your screen, it's happening right in front of you. And when you choose to live fully, to grow, to play, to connect, guess what? You'll master English faster, you'll transform your life, and you'll wake up excited every single day. So the next time your thumb reaches to scroll, stop and ask yourself, do I want to waste my time watching someone else live, or do I want to create the story of my own life? The choice is yours. Start today. This is your time. Let's make every day so fun you forget to scroll.